long tails.
Hey friends, welcome back. In today's episode, we are exploring the origin story of chopsticks. Yeah, those two long sticks. Have you wondered who invented them? But before we begin, we always remember one rule. Ready? Slow and steady wins the noodle. Say it with me. Slow and steady wins the noodle.
Chopsticks are impossible.
Whoa there! That fishball just tried to escape. You okay, Mr. Chopstick Rookie?
I am your soya sauce master, or just call me Soya for short.
Why do we even use chopsticks if they are so difficult? Forks are easier. Or may we just use a really big spoon to scoop everything up in one go?
A shovel! This calls for a history lesson. More than 3,000 years ago, people cooked food in big, bubbling pots. Hot pots made for very hot fingers. So clever people invented something new.
These were the first ever chopsticks from 1200 BC during China's Shang Dynasty. Made of bronze, they were invented so that chopsticks help people pick up food safely.
So they were kitchen tools first.
Exactly, the world's first cooking gadgets, if you will.
That noodle looks to be very determined. I hear noodles love to dance. They just love wiggling. What is our rule?
Slow and steady wins the noodle!
It escaped again. Ugh.
I get you're frustrated. Let me tell you another story. Now, during the Tang Dynasty, chopsticks had a makeover which were part of a royal secret. Emperors used silver chopsticks.
Ooh, shiny. Wouldn't they be so heavy? But why?
Back then, people believed silver could detect poison, where it turns black upon touching poisonous ingredients. So silver chopsticks protected the royal family and anyone else who could afford them.
So chopsticks were like bodyguards?
Very elegant and portable bodyguards, yes.
Soon, chopsticks were used across Asia. The Chinese chopsticks became long, easier for use over big tables and communal meals. Japanese ones were shorter, with pointed tips that were easier to use with fish.
Korean chopsticks were flat and metallic, as they were easier to clean, with a good grip over slippery dishes like kimchi.
Vietnamese ones were often made with wood or bamboo, as they were cheaper to make. Pointed tips also helped with their national dishes, such as pho noodles, herbs, and tofu.
Each country adapted the original model to make them special and unique to their needs.
Even the noodles changed forms in each country. But maybe that's another story for another video.
And now, Ming Ming, it is time for the Chopstick Challenge!
Step 1. Put one chopstick in the curve between your thumb and the index finger. Step 2. Place the second chopstick on top of the middle finger, but underneath the index finger. The chopsticks move when you move your middle finger up and down. And that's it! Move your middle and index fingers to pick up your favorite food.
Round 1, peanut.
Well done. How did you do it?
Slow and steady wins the peanut!
Round 2, fishball. And again, you did it!
Slow and steady wins the fishball!
Round 3. The mighty Chinese crullers.
It's too wiggly.
Crullers are very flexible and soft. That's what makes them taste fresh. Ming Ming, take a deep breath. Then you can try again. What is our rule?
Slow and steady wins the Chinese crullers.
Wow, amazing!
And last but not least, this is the most important noodle in history. Right, what do we say?
Slow and steady wins the noodle. I did it! I'm the noodle champion!
Discipline paid off. You graduated from chopstick rookies to noodle ninja.
When something feels difficult, when your hands feel wobbly, when you want to give up, just remember, slow and steady wins the task. Chopsticks have helped people eat for 3,000 years. Try the Chopstick Challenge at home. What's the heaviest thing you can pick up?
Hi, friends! Thanks for checking out Long Tales today, and see you next time!